What's up, guys? Hope you're all having a good morning. I am struggling with the lighting at the moment, but we are here. This is terrible. What am I doing? The lighting. How am I supposed to film like this? Oh, what's up, guys? I hope you're all having an awesome morning. Today we are down in New South Wales once again. We haven't changed, believe it or not. We haven't gone anywhere. But yeah, today we're working on Jacob's stock XR6 turbo. So now he got this a couple of months back. If you guys remember, we went out and had a look at the red G6E turbo, but he ended up getting this thing right here, and it is an absolute beast. So yeah, it's a manual black XR6 in petroleum.
Sorry?
What's the color called again? Silhouette, sorry. And it's got like, yes, I know the swirl marks are bad, we'll fix it, but it's got like a blue flake through it, which is really sick. It's on stock honeycomb wheels at the moment, which is like the 18-inch variant that comes on all these cars in the Mark 1s. They look absolutely sick. But today we're going to be changing that up completely. If you guys remember, we have those Coil SFO7s, the 19 by 10.5 wheels. We put them on the other side, and I'll show you guys what that looks like right now. So we ended up putting Aiden's wheels on, and check out this fitment in the rear. That looks great. Cannot wait for that to... The fronts? The fronts do need a little bit of work. So they will camber in with the coilovers, but they will poke a fair bit. These will probably poke about ½ an inch more than what my car does all around. Oh, sorry, just on the front. The rears will be pretty much about the same. But they also have a better tyre setup and everything else as well. So, yes, this is Jacob. What are we doing today, mate?
Making it not look like this.
Cool, excellent. So we're going to put the wheels on the rest of the car. Plus we're also going to install the suspension that he has down the back there. And then in tomorrow's video, we're actually going to do this today at the same time. We're going to do the turbo side intake and the cooler piping as well. So that's all going to go on today. And then tomorrow, after you wait, you guys will see this video in 2 days time. Yeah, the next day after tomorrow's video, we're picking up the new car, which is the sick Euro all-wheel drive hatchback. Front-wheel drive, Japanese, Suzuki...
Twin turbo
V8, that one. So yeah, we're gonna go pick up that. So yeah, today we have a whole heap of fun. Words coming out, let's just do stuff. Right, so these are the coils that are gonna be going in the FG at the moment. What are they again?
They're Silver Max... Wait, hang on. Silver's Neo Max S.
Silver's Neo Max S. Never heard of them before. But they're on a comparable level to XYZ and stuff like that. They're around the same price point, and they look like they're pretty much the same thing, which is pretty cool. So, it's not a true coilover like mine, but it still does the job. So they sit on these little boots at the very back here. They just get held on by grub screws. So I've done a few of these, but yeah. So this should be fun. I'm excited. So these right here are super simple to remove. So it's just those 3 bolts there after you remove the intake pipe. The other side there you have to remove the coolant tank to get to those 3 bolts down there. And once you do that, it is as simple as getting, there's a 21mm and I believe an 18mm on that side there, and then the whole suspension can pretty much drop out of place. So yes, it's going to be super simple. Jacob's already getting started on this side over here.
It is not an 18.
Is it an 18? 19?
Or is it because the box not shut?
Rightio, so for the new shocks here, we're just going to leave them at the same height because we have no idea what height these are.
Yeah.
And it went on an FG beforehand being second hand, so
hopefully
it can't be that bad.
And it was used off-road, rallycross FG.
You reckon?
Yeah, well, that's better than slammed on its guts.
I don't know.
Rightio, so we'll see how we go.
No, we'll go top first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These should be shorter, so they should be easier to put in and over.
True.
But they're not, are they?
Alright, maybe bottom in first.
Oh, ouch.
Yeah, bottom first is the way to go.
Is that what she said?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guide me.
Yep, I'm guiding you.
Yep.
Alright, you're almost in the holes. It's a little bit of a twisty motion. Ow, not my fingers.
Twist it towards the front.
Yeah. There we go, beautiful. Now I will do up this one right here.
Oh, did you get my wrist pop?
No. Alright, she's on, man. She's on. We will need washers as well, but first.
Yeah, straight through the hole and then go into the top.
Yep.
Slowly.
Currently jacking up this side of the car.
No, it's not exactly like that. Ben. Where's the pole there? Out of it.
Alright, over there. That's in.
It was easy, wasn't it, Zach?
Yeah. Mine's a little bit turned as well, but we'll be able to fix that.
I'm trying to get a bolt on the top.
Oh, Jack's going down.
Oh, yeah, okay, go for it.
Alright, there's a bolt in it.
Cool. Excellent.
Alright.
We will have to change that.
Who this? That's Cash.
Hmm?
I was about to say, is it Mum or Dad? But no, it is Cash.
Alright, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Going under the brake disc, there's a hub nut just below it.
Oh, yeah, no fun. Wow, wait a minute. Alright, go a little bit up further. Alright, your sweets. Cut through. And we'll put a little knot on this side over here. Look at that, decided to go. I did that the worst way possible.
I've got protective gloves, you can't eat me.
Cool.
You're right.
We're going to drop this side down, Master Jacob.
Oh god, hang on.
Okay. Are we ready?
Oh, yes.
Yes. Well, that was anticlimactic.
Very good. We'll go the other side first. And then we'll...
Oh yeah, that fitment is money.
Fitment is amazing. Only the best of us.
Jack surfing.
Pretty fast.
Cool.
Here we go.
Alright, are we ready?
Oh man.
It's going to be so high.
Yeah, it's gonna be a monster truck.
Ooh.
Oh, actually, that's not that bad. You can get behind them in the
It
control
is a
arm.
bit high. It is a bit high.
It actually, yeah, I thought it was gonna be lower than
It's
that.
not too bad.
We can fix that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could honestly go lower.
Not right now though.
No.
Yeah, they're like little bumps.
To be honest, I think it's a good height.
That looks really good.
To get up and down the driveway, I think it's a great height.
For practicality, yeah, because you don't want it to be too low, otherwise...
Yeah,
Yeah.
mine's too low to get up the driveway, and it's half a centimetre lower than that at the moment, so...
Yeah.
Don't know. I guess we'll do the back and we'll still lower the front a little bit more, so...
Exciting stuff.
It is very exciting stuff.
Very exciting.
The cover of this one.
These wheels look so good. So these ones here are super simple, because we're not going to a true coilover. It's literally just a shock and a spring.
Yeah, right, okay.
It's easy. It's pretty much as soon as you do this on each side, you can lower them both enough to pull the shock straight out, so... I'm undoing this bolt. He's like,
Okay.
thanks.
Yeah,
Hang on.
Action!
Holy
Do you
shit!
want me to get it?
Why is it like this, Jacob? I'll go around it. You go. Actually, it's probably a long extension for that, to be honest.
Hmm.
You ready?
Yeah. You got it?
Yep.
Wow, bitch.
Man. That's tight.
God damn. You can probably just use a rod gun for that.
Whoever did that up's a nice lady.
Nice person, this lady.
Yeah.
Really?
Rightio. Go for it.
It's just a matter of twisting.
Just pull.
It's funny, I'm not pushing you down on this.
Hey?
Nothing, mate. You're good. You having fun there?
Come on, Liam, put your back into it.
I should get Jacob to do this. I'm filming. This is funny.
Get in there again. Get in there again. Huh? There we go.
Wow, much easier. Considering I was putting...
That makes it much better.
Yeah.
Zach definitely.
Cool. It's as simple as that.
At least the washers.
Make sure the shock doesn't bloody pull out of it.
That'd be nice. I think I could grab it with my second hand, but like I'm just gonna not.
Okay.
Yeah, they're easy, hey?
Done.
Cool.
We have new ones of these, I think.
Yeah, we do, yeah. They should be solid, or whatever they are.
Yeah. Ugh.
Cool. What brand are they? Are they stock?
They are, yeah, I think they're stock.
Okay.
Fermoco, yeah.
Okay.
Ford Motor Company.
So these ones are super simple.
Yeah.
Literally, you grab this, chuck it on there like that. Wait, I gotta back out that little grub screw. Oh yeah. You're telling me. So these are super simple. It's just literally just a spring boot. Straight on top of that, you tighten up your little Allen thingy.
And then that's how you adjust the ride height.
Yeah, with these two holes here.
Yeah, right. Okay.
So we tighten this up right here.
Don't do that up too tight because it'll strip any alloy.
Yeah.
And that just holds it on, that little grub screw.
Yep. There you go. Cool.
Mad.
And then literally that spring there.
Oh, sorry.
You're right.
Has it got a spring seat on it?
Not yet. But and they actually it does on the top already.
On the
So
bottom,
then
no.
that's it.
Does it need one on the bottom?
Standard ones?
Hmm?
Don't reuse the standard ones?
No, the standard springs.
The spring
No, the
spring
spring
seat.
seat's on the bottom.
Oh, no, because it just
'Cause
goes
it's got
straight into the alloy.
Yep, okay.
So then when you put them in, you literally just hold them in.
Yeah,
Well,
right, yeah.
They just kind of do whatever they need to. They're a bit weird, but
That's
we'll
alright.
get rid of this on here too. That's got it.
Ow, my ears.
All right. Well, if it's cross-threaded in any way,
It's not cross-threaded. It's just got weight on it. It's tight now.
All right. Cool.
Top
Bloody
on tight?
wanna be.
What's that?
Top on tight?
Yeah, sure is.
Should be. Ready? Oh my god. Oh, sorry, hello.
Just bounce on the side stuff for a little bit. The side skirt, the dorsal.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Probably get in the car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks real good. There's about sort of like a finger width's worth of gap on all four corners, so we probably will go down a little bit further. This side here will definitely go down to the top of the tread, which will sit really nicely. It's probably about half a centimetre taller than my car all round. It actually looks really good at this height, to be honest.
Car's unlocked.
Sick.
Oh, so plenty of room for activities in the back of it still.
Oh, 100%.
It's
Yeah.
still pretty soft.
I was going to say, it's
Yeah.
not as firm as I thought.
It's actually a nice height.
They're actually.
Okay, so the biggest thing about Jacob's car especially is the fact that his driveway is very, very narrow and also very steep. And so pretty much the worst thing is the fact we can't lower his car too much because it just won't get out of his driveway. Like I have to swing it probably from about here-ish. And I'm up on 3 wheels. Okay, alright, sweet. We're all good. But yes, now it's time to see if Jacob's car can make it out. So one of the wheels was labelled wrong, which is a bit weird. So we ended up putting one of the plus 15s and one of the plus 32s on the front, which didn't work. The wheel wouldn't move because it was hitting up a control arm, but we fixed that. That's all sorted now. So we're just going to see if he makes it down the curb now. It's been nice. Oh, it looks so good. Holy. Oh, you got heaps of room, man. Wait, stop. Yeah, you're sweet.
Yeah, you're good.
You're pretty close, but you're not scrubbing. Woohoo! Nah, it's alright. Looks so good.
Let's see how we go.
Alright, make sure it doesn't scrub.
It will.
If you hear any weird noises, just stop. Holy. Have a look.
Yeah, nice.
Looks really good. It's a bit high.
It rides softer than standard and
Does it?
didn't scrub once.
That's good. Well, I mean, you haven't really lowered it too much just yet, but...
It's so comfortable.
Is it really?
For a drive.
Alright, we'll do.
Everyone.
This is going to be bad.
Let's see if it scrubs now.
Alright, so...
I feel like it's on coils. I'm a bit scared about this bit here.
Yeah. A little bit of scrub.
There's the scrub.
Yeah. Just don't go that fast down there.
Yeah.
You have to start driving like a lowered car now.
there was ducks in the middle of the road here, and I had to pull up and like reverse and go forwards, and reverse and go forwards.
Oh, really? Why is that?
Make a move.
Oh. 100% it's not
trucks.
scrubbing. Yeah, that's wicked. It is still pretty high, and you probably can firm up the suspension a whole lot as well.
I would like to firm it up a little bit.
Yeah, 100%.
It rides so nice as it is, though.
Yeah.
Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks
good.
great. It just needs to be a little bit lower for my like just for me.
I think
yeah.
like top of the tire is where I'd like it to be.
Yeah. But no, drivability wise, this is great.
Trouble? Man.
Nothing. That's wicked. It's so quiet.
That's next, right?
See if you can get up with all four. Just go really slow. How? That's perfect.
Made it.
Alright guys, so wheels are now done. Looks great. We're probably going to leave it for about a day or so before we start playing around with ride heights, or Jake was going to go in and get the car aligned and get it lowered as they do it down there. So they probably, I don't know what we'll do, but looks great. But no, car looks great, and we'll keep working on it, just keep making it nicer. But now we're about to do the turbo side intake, which you guys will see tomorrow. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I got so much dirt on me. I keep rubbing like my... I'm gonna wash my face. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. You're gonna forehead exit my video?
Yes.
Can we actually?
Yes.
Alright, go for it. Have fun. This is really weird.